The next we continue with keynote failures in managing integrity. The managing integrity is a HDFS users checksums, which are effectively digital signatures associated with the actual data stored in the file. It is often calculated as a numerical function of the values within the bytes of the files that can be used to verify that the data stored correspondent to the data shared or the received. When the checksums is calculated for the retrieved block does not equal the stored checksum of the block, it is a considered an integrity of error. In that case, the requested block will need to be retrieved from the replication of replica instead. The fourth point is an metadata replication. The metadata replication is that the metadata files are also subject to failure, and HDFS can be configured to maintain the replicas of the corresponding metadata files to protect the against the corruption. The fifth point is a snapshot. The snapshot is the incremental copying of data to establish a point in time to which the system can be rolled back. These concepts are mapped to specify the internal protocol and services that HDFS uses to enable a large scale data management file system that can be run on the commodity hardware component. The ability to use the HDFS slowly as a means for the creating a scalable for the extensible file system for monitoring the rapid access to large data sets, providing a reasonable value proposition from the information technology perspective. First one is in decreasing the cost of a specialty large scale storage system. The second one is in providing the ability to rely on the commodity of components. The third thing is in enabling the ability to deploy using the cloud based services. And fourth one is in reducing the system management tools. Then our next topic is a map reduce and yarn. The map reduce here the general concept of job control and management are introduced in Hadoop. MapReduce originally combined both job management and other site and the programming model for the execution. The map reduce and execution environment employ the masters or slaves execution model in which one master node, they called the job tracker, manage a pool of slave computing resources called that means task tracker that are called upon to the actual work. The role of the job tracker is to manage the resource with some specific reasonabilities, including the managing the task trackers, continuously monitoring their accessibility and availability, and the different aspects of job management that including the scheduling task, tracking the progress of assigning the assigned task, reacting to identify the failures, and ensuring the fault tolerance of the execution. The role of the task tracker is much simpler. Wait for the task assigned, initiated, and the executed and requested task and provide the status back to job tracker on the periodic basis.